What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Hux Watch today, we got an awesome giveaway for an awesome watch face by an awesome developer. Now, the developer goes by the name of Simple Designs. This is the guy who created the watch face with the Google Assistant in it. So now you don't have to double tap on the button on the side of the watch. All you got to do is tap on the Google Assistant and automatically it's ready to hear your commands. I thought it was off the charts. Now, there's a freebie that's 24 hours. It's called Simple Assistant. Now, the one he's giving away, which he's giving me 20, count them up, 20 watch face coupons to give away. Now it's called Simple Assistant Premium 12 hours. Now it's only going to be for the US, so if you want an opportunity to win a free awesome watch face, just comment in the comment section down below. That's all you have to do to be able to participate in this one. And I'm going to drop this on Reddit, I'm going to drop this on Facebook, and I'm also going to drop it like right here on YouTube as you see right now. That's all you have to do. I got 20. I want to give all 20 watch faces away, so make sure you comment down below. Now I'm looking for some more watch faces from this developer. This is only the beginning. Maybe we'll get an analog watch face with the Google Assistant in it, maybe another fitness watch face with the assistant in it, maybe we'll get some unique designs with the assistant in it, and maybe, just maybe, other developers to take heed and they'll start to do the same. But for right now, this developer gave me exactly what I've been looking forward to for a very long time. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Make sure you check out this guy's lineup. I will leave a link in the description down below so you can go take a closer look if you want to see what this guy has to offer. All right, you all, have a great day and or night. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care. Peace out.